Vapers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the P-lll gear kit by Vaptio. Alright guys, yes, today we're looking at the P-lll gear kit. It comes in a black, white, or red. I do have the black edition here. Right on top we have a caution about the coil card. Here is the mod, the tank, and an extra coil. Underneath that you have a micro USB to USB cord, a quality control inspection card, the user's manual for the tank, which is the Sale P1TF tank, and a user's manual for the mod, which is the SOAR P3TC mod. Here's what the coil looks like. It is a 0.15 ohm coil. So here is the mod. Here's the fire button, the up and down buttons, and there's lights in here that light up to indicate different things. Here is the micro USB charge port, the 510 connection on the top. It has a built-in 3000 milliamp hour battery in here. It can go up to 100 watts, and it also has temperature mode between 250 degrees and 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The recommended resistance range for this device is no lower than 0.1 ohm and no higher than 3 ohm. The tank has adjustable airflow at the bottom. It is a 2 mil tank, and it is 22 millimeters in diameter and 58 millimeters tall. The mod is 70 millimeters tall by 51 millimeters by 22 millimeters. It does not have an OLED screen, but the lights indicate the different settings that you can change it into, and the tank does come pre-installed with a 0.15 ohm coil. The tank is child-proof and top filling, and I'm filling mine up today with Pink Paradise. It's a pink lemonade. It's my favorite pink lemonade of the summer right now, and you can get it for 20% off with my code TIA20 at Bonsai Vapors website, and anybody who uses my code from now until the end of July can be entered to win one of 5 $100 gift cards from Bonsai Vapors website. So not only can you get this flavor, or really any flavor you want from their website, at a discount, but you can also be entered to win more. This does have a few protection features such as short circuit protection, low voltage protection, low resistance protection, and a 10-minute auto shutdown. So if you leave it setting and for 10 minutes you don't use it, it will automatically shut down. It's a 5-click on, 5-click off device, and the lights light up when you turn it on. If you press the fire button 3 times, you will switch between temperature modes or wattage mode. And without the screen to tell which mode you're in, the middle button down here lights up. So white is variable wattage mode, green is nickel mode, red is titanium mode, and blue is stainless steel mode. So watch. 1, 2, 3. So it's green, now it is in nickel mode. Now it's red, it is in titanium mode. It is blue, it is in stainless steel mode. And now it's white, and it is in wattage mode. Now the up and down buttons light up the lights down here, so we're in wattage mode. 1 blue light lighting up at the top means it's at 30 watts. If you click up, then 2 blue lights, 40 watts, 3 blue lights, 50 watts, 4 blue lights, 60 watts, 1 red light, 70 watts, 2 red lights, 80 watts, 3 red lights, 90 watts, 4 red lights, 100 watts. And the same thing goes for temperature mode. It goes in increments of 50 from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. These 0.15 ohm coils are good from 40 to 80 watts. I do have mine set at 50 right now. So let's go ahead and take a vape. I have the airflow wide open. Woo. I took my little baby apprehensive vape, as I always do on a brand new setup, on a brand new coil, and that was a lot. So I am going to turn this down. Okay, excuse me. I told you guys backwards from what I just realized, because I was like vaping and I was like, this is way too high to be 50 watts. So the blue is the higher and the red is the lower. So it starts off with 1 red light is 30 watts, 4 blue lights would be 100 watts. Wow. Class bitch caught me off guard. This is kicking out the clouds, and it actually has really yummy flavor. I'm surprised because these kind of looked like some old-fashioned coils that I used to know, but they're performing great. I do like the handheld size of this though. Even though I'm an all-in-one vapor, this is a nice little small size for a tank and mod combo. I am noticing, however, that this metal drip tip I don't think it's insulated because no, it's not. It's getting quite warm when I chain vape. But you can always solve that issue with switching it out for your favorite drip tip. I have to say that I'm way more impressed with the flavor that's coming through than I thought I would. But check it out. I've already blown through 2 mils of e-liquid. Well, just about 2. I didn't have it all the way full. But you can see it's empty now, so it is a juice guzzler. You know, I'm quite surprised at the performance of this. I'd never heard of Vaptio, or however you pronounce it, and I've never heard of this device, but it's working really well. And it's sort of a simple, but yet also a little bit confusing until you get it down right on how to change the settings. But I'm quite happy with the performance, and you know, the lack of the screen may make it have a longer battery life. Well, that's about it for the video. If you've heard of this device, this is the Soar mod and the Sail Tank. Let me know down in the comments below. I will leave a link below to where you can check this out for yourself if you're interested. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. And while you're down in the description box, don't forget to turn on the bell notification symbol so you don't miss a single video. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Snapchat. All those social media links will be below. And one more thing before you go, if vaping is something you're passionate about, please join CASAA.org and learn how you can fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.